is going on, everybody? I hope you all are having a great day because today we have a super fun video planned. We are going to be making car tires for the Miata here, and we are going to be using 55-gallon drums. So this is going to be pretty exciting. The Miata is small enough where we're hoping we can keep the drums full size and drive down the street, but if it's too wide, if the Miata is too hot boy and has too much stance, we will trim them down with the Sawzall, because we have a whole assortment of power tools here to make this work. But it is going to be fun. Car tire made out of a 55-gallon drum.
This is working so much better than I expected it to.
It's going like great.
Oh yeah.
I don't know what that was, but it hurt.
Yeah, that worked really well. Let's see about...
I'll hit that with something else, it's fine.
Let's see about getting the tire in here now. That was pretty mint.
It came out well though.
I know. That was... There she is. There's the tire.
Don't fall on that.
It looks way over.
I think the barrel.
Yeah, the barrel's a little bit warped, but it'll go.
Yeah, just
Just tilt the barrel and I stomp the barrel.
Just try standing.
Try and put your foot in the middle.
Cause you're like.
There you go. Keep doing that. That's actually gonna be what we need.
Hit right here.
Oh, this Hit over here, Cody. Hit the rubber. Try to jump on this side more, Billy.
Oh, let me grab a pry bar and I'll pry that in.
Yeah, that would be the movement. Oh, that's working. We need a pry bar or something. Yeah. Hell yeah. It's going, kinda. We just straighten it out, I think. No.
Yeah, I feel like we should just take it out and stomp on it when it's on the ground. Just stomp on the high side.
No, we have to stop on the top side, I would think, to get to
Try and get it in right here.
With the barrel?
I'll hit it.
Itself? Like you
Billy,
tweak
put
it
your
back
foot
by
here.
stomping on it?
the math and that goes into this. Oh, Billy, go stand in that. That's gonna go.
Stand on the edge.
Yeah, stand right here, Billy.
Actually, no. You hit that with a hammer.
Just jump.
I feel like I'm jumping like a girl.
Yeah, something's.
You are.
I don't got legs.
Hold on. We should get 2 pry bars, 1 in each.
More pry bars.
Yeah. Can you hear the air?
Yeah, just get another one right where Ricky's smacking the hammer for no reason.
I'm trying to hit it with the downward force.
The science, you know, the downward force.
2 pry bars.
Oh, I'm gonna fall.
Give it hell.
No, jump on this edge.
Yeah, I'm gonna stand on the edge and jump. Yeah.
Put force on it. You just did it.
That's not happening, dude.
You just did it though, didn't you?
You go. Maybe I think we have to straighten out the tire. It's going in so quick.
Yeah, Ricky, you get your ass up here.
We're sending Ricky up there. Maybe he'll be able to get it with a little bit more girth. Come on, you got this, guys. Come on.
That's all you got?
Keep cranking, Rick. Keep cranking.
These tires are posing to be a pain in the butt and a little bit too big to slide in. So we got these beasts out here. These are just stock NA Miata wheels. We took the Schroeder valves out, but I put them back in because there's no air in it. And we're gonna try and make these work. These should slide in much easier, hopefully. That already sat in
my
there.
shirt's stuck.
That already sat in there much better, huh? Billy, just stand in that. Try, don't slide all the way through though. Make sure you don't go. A little hoppy. Give it a jump. There you go. Keep going. Stay in the middle. Go for the middle.
Yeah.
Just jump.
Evenly distribute your weight.
Jumping like a smaller girl now.
It's going, no?
Do it like you do.
It is.
Almost there. So this is gonna work. Success.
Ready?
Go, you got it.
2, 1.
Oh yeah, that's it. Keep going. Oh, you're almost there. Ricky, you got it. Just come on, Ricky, jump. Dude, that was working.
King of the hill.
Oh God, that was almost bad.
Did I at least make any progress?
A
Yeah,
little
a
bit.
lot.
Hop on both of you guys. Let's go.
There.
Oh, don't
Crank
break your
it right
ankle
there.
on it.
Gosh darn.
We got the tire in the 55-gallon drum, but it's kind of in there a little bit. As you can see, there's a little gap. So what I'm gonna do now is stand this thing up and just have Cody stand on the face of the wheel so it hits the ground, so that is as flat as we can get it, so it doesn't have any warp when we put it on the car. And that will be.
I'm not gonna be able to get out of this fucking thing.
You're gonna be
I
stuck in
pull
there
the
forever.
pants up so I can move.
Billy just cut the top of this one off, and we'll be in business. We'll toss that one in here.
Made a satisfying noise.
Yeah, give it some kicks, just a little hoppy. Nice. That's probably perfect.
Probably.
And then we'll get that one in here. We're gonna have to do the same method. Just stand on it, jump on it, kick it, and it'll go.
Oh God, I can't move with the pants, dude.
Success! We have two 55-gallon drum tires. Cody just fired up the compressor. We're gonna fill these up with air a little bit so they hold themselves in there really good. We probably don't even have to put air in them because they're in there so good. But we're gonna fill them up a little bit and we'll put them on the Yada. We came down to the end of the driveway to put these bad boys on, and she's looking good. It's looking so mint. She's looking so nice. Ricky's just pulling this one off. Put that one on. Things like brand new. We have the drum tires off the Miata because we had ran into a problem. These Miata daisies that we stuffed into the drums did not clear the brake caliper. And it is actually quite a few days later since we filmed the first part of the video. Our 55-gallon drum tires are up here. We have to bring them down again. I'll probably check the air pressure in these bad Larrys, but we solved the problem. We figured out what we need to do. We're finally gonna get this video on the road. I'll show you the solution now. We tried to figure out if a wheel spacer would just work to make those clear, but we can't really tell and we don't think it would. So our solution is put a piece of wood in here, and luckily enough the Miata, the e-brake compresses the brake caliper, so we'll be able to pull the e-brake, lock that piece of wood in there. We're gonna zip tie this whole unit back here, and then our wheels will clear. Our wheels in the drums will be able to fit on the Miata. We had to take one brake pad out, but who cares? So we're gonna put the other side like this. Well, we have to figure out how to zip tie it still. Let's figure that out. This is the final result. Not cutting the zip tie ends off, being hacked, because obviously these aren't staying here. Hopefully enough gap here where when this compresses a little bit, it doesn't hit it, but that is mint. Cody's got the other side over here, all fancy the same way. Looking good. It's coming in. Round two. How are we looking, Cody? We clear everywhere?
Yeah. Surprisingly.
How's our brake caliper? Oh, the caliper is beautiful where we put it.
Good thing you can see it, because I can't.
Good thing the rotor clears. Lugging her on.
You got one started, guy?
Do you need some more extensions?
It's so loud in here, dude.
Oh! He's in the drum tire. Hey, buddy. Oh, a zip tie.
God damn it.
Oh, puny one.
I can't put pressure on the damn barrel because Spedhead's holding it up.
You're like, I can do it. I'll help. Nice.
Come on, you gotta fucking tighten down now.
Is it started?
I have to get them on first, bud. It's not a friggin' 5-second job.
He doesn't know what I mean by started.
It started.
Does it spin freely? How is she doing? Oh my, yes. We have a rock tumbler. We have a tractor Miata now. This is great. That's like amazing. It spins so perfect.
Gotta show our ratchet setup.
That's how you do it. Let's get this other one on. We are ready. Both are fully on. Let me just want to spin real quick. I want to see if she goes good. Oh yeah, baby. No freaking things hitting. All right, drop it.
Ready? Ready? Majestic.
And she's down. Pull it out. Pull out the jacket all the way. Yeah! We're looking good. It's moving! Now move your truck first. Can you chalk block me? We got no e-brake. Nice. Oh. Oh God, you gotta wait.
Oh no, it gets
There's
two
people. It's a traffic jam. We got Miata tire extensions. We're all about that stance life. All right, this is it. The maiden rip. The maiden rip. It's going pretty good so far. No, let's try to turn around and go by Billy. I'm not gonna try to break it. Oh, I'm fat. How was that? Was it spinning bucket?
Yeah, it's a little bit.
Can I do a little bucket brake stand?
I mean, yeah, I gotta get the phone out for this.
Is it deteriorating?
Yeah, it's on the inside a little
Should we
bit.
keep going a little bit for a ride?
Oh yeah, we're going for a ride.
Yeah, let's go on the street.
Oh, you ready for this one?
Yeah, hop in. Okay, you're fine. Don't break my spoiler off. We'll go slow for you. This is working really, really well so far. I must say. They're getting pretty beat though. They're deteriorating. So the question is answered. If you ever wondered if you could use your 55-gallon burn bucket as a tire, the answer is yes. We're gonna keep on driving with it. Example.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
This is going real good. We're gonna cruise down the street here, blow a couple donuts. I think we're gonna call it quits before the cops come. Because our 55-gallon drum tires are getting pretty warped at this point. Oh, one final nut here to finish her up. That was sick. These work actually really good. The thing gets down. I'll throw it around right here. Oh yeah, that's how you do it. One more for good luck. All right, I'm gonna back it in. We're gonna pull these tires off, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, smash that like button, and we will see you all in the next one. Peace.
Why self-life? We got London on the track.